How to promote affiliate links smart way. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm giving you a tutorial on how to promote your affiliate links very easily and the smart way for free. So let's get into it. If you do affiliate marketing, then we know that in affiliate marketing, advertising and promotion is an important part. We need to promote our affiliate links, the links that we get to make more sales and earn our commission. But how to promote an affiliate link if you're not that famous, you're not an influencer or something like that, you're not a big company, but you are an affiliate, and you actually do affiliate marketing, you need to find different ways to promote the affiliate links for free. So this tutorial is for you. Let's get into it. First of all, I have opened up Digistore24. Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers us an integrated store and affiliate program. So this is the kind of affiliate program I go for, and here I have my account. So I'll just simply log in and I'll show you the marketplace, and we'll select a product, get the link, and I'll show you how to promote it. So this is the marketplace on Digistore24. You can see we have a lot of different kind of product. The different products that do pretty well when it comes to affiliate marketing, and they give you the highest commission, such as something in computer. Then we have internet business and investments. We have email marketing right here, education, fitness and health. Then we have, if I scroll down, we have marketing, we have social media softwares and more. So what I like to do is I actually go with these softwares, and we can get the link for it. We can earn up to 40%, 50%, even 60% commission with these affiliate links. So once you're here, you're just going to click on promote now, and I'll click on promote now. You can see I'll be able to earn 35% commission. Earning sale is going to be $200. So I'll just click on promote now and get my link. Once you got the link, now we have to find different ways to promote our affiliate links. So the first way is YouTube. YouTube is a free platform. Of course, we know YouTube. YouTube allows you to create videos, and we can create product reviews videos here, and even videos like this where you can review a software or a product that you have, and you can add your affiliate links in the description. YouTube is actually one of the very famous and most effective way to promote your affiliate link. A lot of people don't know that. They go for the paid platforms and something like that. But we can actually promote our affiliate links on our YouTube channel. So how it works, it's going to be really easy. You just have to create a YouTube channel, which you can do for free, and after that you can create a video. You don't even have to show your face. You can either go ahead and review the software, that product yourself, or you can create any kind of video. You can create animated video, you can create a tutorial video, or you can actually create a simple review video, or you can go for a slide video, anything you want to. Even now we can create YouTube shorts and promote our affiliate links. So in the description you add a link and you ask people to sign up. You need to add call to action in the video so that people click on it and you get more sales. Of course, with YouTube, because we are getting sometimes hundreds of views, thousands of views, and even millions of views here. So with those thousands of views, let's say I got 10k view on a video, maybe 100 of the people will click on the link and sign up, and we will be able to sell the product and earn our commission. If the commission is 100, with just 10 clicks you will be making thousands of dollars. So this is how you can actually promote your affiliate links the smart way for free. The next way is going to be through a landing page. Now when I say a landing page, a lot of people feel a little bit hesitant. They don't know how to create a landing page, and they say that the hosting of a landing page is paid, and how we will get a domain name or anything. So for that, you can actually go to sites.google.com. It allows you to create the simplest landing page, and it will allow you to promote your affiliate link. So it's actually really easy. We create a website on Google Sites very easily. There are already a lot of videos on this channel to show you how to create a landing page on Google Sites, and it will help you. Of course, you can create a product page and then promote your product, your affiliate links, and earn your commission. With Google Sites, it's actually really easy, and again, we will be able to have our own website to promote that product. So if you want to use a tool, a landing page, a website to promote the affiliate link, then Google Sites is going to be a really good option for you. you, and it is completely free. You can sign up for free. If you have a Google account, you will have your Google Sites and you can promote your affiliate link. So this is the way to go for. There are also other platforms out there that allow you to create a website, and then you can of course create a product website, create a product landing page that will give you more conversion and that will help you sell more products and eventually earn your commission and make money. Another way you can promote your affiliate links the smart way is going to be through Pinterest. What you have to do is you can go to pinterest.com and you will get right here. We know Pinterest. Pinterest is an amazing search engine and a social media that allows you to upload your pins. You can add your photos and videos too. And Pinterest is actually one of the most famous ways to promote affiliate links. You might have seen already videos on this channel as well, how to promote affiliate links on Pinterest. There are different ways. You just create a pin here. Now with Pinterest, because we can add direct links, it makes it very easy for us to promote an affiliate link. How you do it? You create a pin. For instance, I had a software, or I have a product which is a fitness product. So what I do is, for instance, let me show you. If I search for the fitness products here, like this, it will give me the results. Okay, so you can see we have a fitness product and all of these pins on the products, right? Now, what I need to do is I need to create a pin for Pinterest like this. Once I have a pin, I will be able to then add my link into it. So, what kind of pin you need to create? You will create something, where we have to highlight our product. So, if you have a fitness product, let's say you have a guide, you will create a pin like this. Say this is actually health and fitness planner. So someone is actually, you can see, selling a health and fitness planner with the help of a pin. So this is what we need to do. We need to create an attractive pin, and then once we add the pin in the description, we will add our link. So for instance, if I wanted to create a new pin, we'll just go to the create and create pin here. You need to create the picture. So for that, you can use canva.com or any other designing tool. You will create an attractive pin, and then you will enter the title here. You will enter your alt text, and then we have our destination link. So this is where you add your landing page link, or if you have a product, most of the time there is going to be a sale product page. So you have to link that product page to your Pinterest. So you enter the destination link here, and you're making a sale. Once you make a sale, you earn your commission, 50%, 60% commission, 40% commission, and make money. So this is a very easy way to promote your affiliate links. Pinterest is an effective way because there is a lot of audience on Pinterest, and Pinterest is a search engine. So, because it's a search engine, the people searching on Pinterest eventually become your customer. They are visitors, they visit, they save your pin, they're looking for these kind of products, and then they become a customer and they buy the product and you make a sale. You can go for any kind of product. Choosing the right product is the first thing in affiliate marketing. Make sure you have the right product in the right niche. After that, you can use any of the smart ways that I showed you. You can use YouTube, your own landing page on Google Sites, or Pinterest. You can even use Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook to promote your affiliate links. These are the easy social media, you can say, ways to promote your affiliate links and make money. So go ahead and check out these ways. And also, if you have an affiliate program already, now you know different ways how to promote your affiliate links. Or you can sign up for digistore24.com, any other program, and get started. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.